Whether you're on a desktop or a laptop, Windows has a built-in tool that allows you to capture screen recording. Let me show you how. It's called the Snipping Tool. You probably heard of it because a lot of people use it for screen captures. The first way you can go in is by the shortcut, hitting the Windows key, Shift and R. The other way you can go in is by going down to the search bar and simply entering Snipping Tool. Either way is fine. So once you're ready, you can either use the command at the bottom, Command Shift R, or hit the new button to start your recording. Determine what options you want. We'll pick rectangle. We'll just draw it around this window for example purposes. And then a couple other options you have at the top is whether or not you want to have a microphone on to record yourself or audio. And then you also have the option to mute the system audio. The mic is off by default. The system audio is on by default. And that'll basically be anything like videos that you play during your screen grab or anything else that has audio within the system. Once you're ready, you hit the start button. We'll just stop it here. From there, you're going to get a pop-up of your screen recording. You can hit the play button. That's pretty self-explanatory to play through your recording. And then editing wise, you go up here, you can hit the trim button. You can move this little slider. Say I want to start here. You can take this left slider, slide it over to that timestamp. You can slide the right slider as well. And then if you're happy with that, you can hit apply. If you don't like it, you can hit cancel. And then pretty much any in-depth editing, they have another program called Clipchamp built into Windows. You can go into Clipchamp and do more editing. I'll do a tutorial on that later. At the top, you also have the save button. You have share. You can share via email and some other options if you explore those. But what I want you to look at is settings. Click on the three dots on the right-hand side, go in settings. And it has all the settings for this particular app, but the ones we want to look at are for screen recording. Go down to where it says screen recordings are saved to. You really want to check that one because otherwise you won't be able to find your screen recordings. And if you don't like the location or want to change it, just click on that change button. The other thing you may want to look at is whether the microphone and the system audio are on by default when you first start the app or the recording. You can toggle those on and off depending on your preference.